This is a Gree Mini Split air conditioner remote, and I'll show you how to set up the Wi-Fi settings so you can connect your AC to Wi-Fi. But first, you need to know whether your unit has Wi-Fi capability. You need to open the cover of your unit, and you can see if there is a Wi-Fi module present. You can connect your Gree AC to Wi-Fi in two ways. The first method is to use a QR code. If you have the QR code, download a QR code or barcode reader app on your phone. Scan the QR code using your phone, and it will direct you to the Gree Plus app, where you can connect your AC to Wi-Fi. However, if you don't have the QR code, let me explain the second method. So now we have reached our mobile screen, and we will go to the Play Store and search for the Gree Plus app. Now, we need to install this app. This app is available for both Android and iOS users. Now that we have downloaded the app, let's open it. After opening, it will ask for permissions, and we will allow all permissions. Now it will ask to sign up. But since we have already signed up, I will click on Sign In. After entering all your details, click on Sign In here. And now we are logged in. After signing in, we will see an interface like this. Now, we need to click on the plus sign at the top, then select our AC and choose the remote controller with the Wi-Fi button. Next, you need to reset your unit's Wi-Fi module. To do this, press the mode and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously while the unit is in the off condition, as you can see here that our unit is off. Now, I'll press the buttons. You should hear a beep, which means the unit's Wi-Fi has been reset. So, what is the benefit of resetting the unit's Wi-Fi? The benefit is that if your unit was previously connected to a device, a mobile or a Wi-Fi network, it will reset. This way, you can easily connect your AC to a new device or a new Wi-Fi network. If you don't reset your unit this way, your unit will not be able to connect easily to a new device or Wi-Fi. After clicking the Wi-Fi and mode buttons, we need to click Next, then select Search Device. Here, our application will automatically detect our device, which is our AC, and configure it with its Wi-Fi. This is how our unit will connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see, it is now connected. Now, you can operate your AC from anywhere in the world. The only requirement is that your unit must have electricity 24 hours a day and be permanently connected to Wi-Fi. Let me also explain how this system works. Your AC is connected to your Wi-Fi, and your Wi-Fi is linked to the Gree Plus application. This is how the system operates, allowing you to connect your mobile to any network and control your AC from anywhere. You will see a red button here. Press it to turn your unit on. You can set the temperature according to your preference. If you want to use more advanced functions, click here. Now, we are in the full advanced settings. Here, you can see the Functions button. Click on it, and you can use different functions. For example, if you want to switch your AC from Fahrenheit to Celsius, just click here. As you can see, the display has changed to Fahrenheit, and if I click again, it will switch back to Celsius. You can explore all these functions yourself. Now, I will show you how to select the mode. For mode selection, there are options at the top. If you select Fan, it will switch to Fan mode. If you select Heat, it will switch to Heating mode. If you want to select Auto mode, just click on Auto, and if you want Cool mode, it will switch to Cooling mode. If you want to adjust your fan speed, you have options like Turbo and Quiet available here, so you can adjust according to your requirements. Next, you can also adjust the temperature based on your preference. This is how you can use your AC with Wi-Fi. Additionally, I want to tell you about a feature of this application. If your AC gets disconnected from power, you will see a disconnect option here. This means your AC is losing power, and the application is notifying you that your AC has been disconnected from the power supply. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.